Hey there, guys. So, here's the deal. I'm starting doing a cooking deal as well as the music on my YouTube channel. Yeah. I know that most of these YouTube videos will now include both cooking and my music videos, or my music. So, all soundtracks that you hear during the cooking shows are songs recorded and written by me. So, yeah. That's the way it's going to work from now on. Enjoy. Here's the first of the cooking shows. The jailhouse. What do we call that?
What? The prison gumbo?
Yeah, the prison gumbo. So, here it is. Okay, so I also forgot to say that a friend of mine, Julio, makes music. On occasion, you might find some of his music in these videos. So this is also a shout out to him. Be looking out for his CD. Good stuff. Talk to you later. Bye. Yes, that was a plug.
Yeah. Oh, right. We're cooking food. As a kid, prison gumbo. So why don't we go over the recipe that we've gotten so far? So 2 Polish sausages, cut up to be about more or less this size, about there. And for comparison, here's my thumb. It's an abnormal size thumb, so you have no clue how big it is, and that's about how big the cut is. Pop it in there with our preheated pan. Of course, we're doing that one so we don't get it right the first time, or ever. Yeah, ever. A preheated pan, like so. Preheated pan like so.
I have to correct you, Deacon. There's a heated pan. Only 2 stages a pan can exist in heated and unheated. Watch more George Carlin.
Okay, it is a cooking term. Anyways, so we got all the pieces in here. What we ended up doing, because it is a non-stick pan, we do want something to help a little bit with the frying part of the cooking process, which is cooking. But we put in about a little more than a dollop of the olive oil. And a little less than a smidgen of the soy sauce.
I think that's actually an actual unit of measurement.
It's like
132.
Yeah, they all are.
Also, a couple days ago, I created this Wonder Mix. It's got salt, pepper, and some other stuff, which I'm not going to tell you. I basically mixed it up. If you want to make an easy one at your house, it's 1 part salt, 1 part pepper. So that could be 1 gallon salt to 1 gallon pepper, or 1 pound, 1 ton salt to 1 ton pepper. Just make sure it's 1 to 1.
I think it's how much water?
Yes. Fill it up to 2/3 of the way. Okay. The thing about cooking noodles is you can't have enough water. Never. Okay. It's like cooking beans. If you watch the Alton Brown show, Good Eats, you'll learn this. Turn on the heat right now. Actually, no, don't turn it up. Turn it up a bit because that water will be coming over here. What we're going to do with this water is we're actually going to bring it to a boil first. Then we're going to put here, water. We're going to bring it to a boil first. Right, Cameron?
Yes.
And then we are going to put in the noodles. Okay. And then we'll see what happens from there. So, until then.
Okay, guys, so we finished it a while back, and the last video that we made had no audio, which sucks.
Because it was hilarious.
It was hilarious. There's stuff about menstruation.
Making fun of the Chinese a lot.
You went menstrual cycle in pan. So, what we ended up doing was we scrambled up some eggs right in this here pot, or this here pan, which you might have seen earlier. Yes, that one. And then we put them in here, put that down tray with our sausage, our red sauce, which shall remain nameless, a pinch of the beef bouillon, which we had used, beef flavor, a pinch of the Wonder mix, which I made, which shall remain nameless, and we
Yeah, Jurassic Park.
I can play the Jurassic Park theme by tapping on different parts of my desk.
Better than Gumbo.
Anyways, and then we took the noodles that were in here, and they're in there. And then we mixed it up, and this is the finished product. And now we're gonna serve it up and make people eat it, whether they want to or not. Yep. So let's do some serving.
This is my nose.
No, see what's gonna happen is we're gonna wake up tomorrow morning and there'll be Chinese special ops saying over us like, you don't make fun of Chinese no more! It's not funny!
Does he look like a bitch?
King is finally solved the confusion.
And then I'll be there and I'll be like, comrades, please shut him off the fuck now. I'm sleeping very much tonight. And then the Russians, they will come and they will not have the weather machine, so I will kill them with the Kansas weather machine. Look, it is a tornado, and then it is a hurricane, and then it is also another tornado.
And then it's summer.
And then it's summer. And then I will be like, what are we doing here? Go back to Russia. And I will defeat the Russians. I will defeat the Russians! With summer. Thank you.
Now to make them eat it.
Have a chocolate.
You eat with chopstick.
I have suddenly become unhungry, so I will eat this one when I'm hungry.
In prison go.
You see Jew right there, that Jew. That angry Jew.
Open up the mouth.
Also, Evan.
What?
Earlier today, when I was playing while you were gone, I made it to 60 and the 100
When
man
did I ever
melee
leave?
without the first Jew.
Oh,
But
Okay.
I made to 60 and the
Well-
100 man melee without having to use the health Jew.
we made it. It's edible, I think. And we'll find out in the morning. Bye.